welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Beauty Budgetz here, and today we will be doing my budget for my second check of July, which is the last check of July. Look at I'm finding out how to fill it out more. It looks like a lot going on, but I love it. Isn't that super cute? But anyway, you guys know you have a job to do and I have a job to do. My job is to be as open, as honest as I can be, share as much of my budgeting tip as I can, and to just be transparent. And your job, of course, like, comment, and subscribe. Please do your little job. Do your little job. Alrighty, and if you like what you hear, go ahead and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified when I'll be posting my next video. Alright, so I'm gonna get right into the screen record now. Alrighty, so if you are new to my channel, this is my budget monthly view. So this is where I keep all of my bills. So if you look here, I have to put that those are paid. My paycheck is going to be on the 23rd, so every bill that I've had for this month was prior to this paycheck, so I have no more that I owe for this month. However, this paycheck, there will be some bills in the beginning of August next month because I have a bunch of bills that are due on the 1st. So I will have to include those. Well, not a bunch, just my subscriptions and my rent. What color do I want to do this in? Let's do it in burgundy this time. Alrighty, so zooming in. I never get the pay dates. I think it's the 23rd, so July 23rd, we will be getting our normal $3,400, and hopefully my husband's come. We did I put that in the wrong spot. He did change his direct deposit and he might have done it too late, so hopefully I'm praying we get it tomorrow. But if not, I'll just do the budget for it, and then we'll probably get a check in the mail, and then we'll just not actually stuff until that money comes in. Alrighty, so $3,400 for income. Like I said, we'll only have rent and subscription. And let me get my calculator. Okay, so $86 plus I don't know why I just used the calculator for that, but we owe $1,686 for total fixed expenses. So we're going to subtract the $3,400 from that, and that will leave us with a total of $1,714 to stuff into our cash envelopes and our sinking funds. So the next is the cash envelopes. Cash envelopes are things that you have to spend within the week, like cash that you'll actually need cash for. I don't keep them on a card because I spend my card and I won't pay attention to what's in there. So I like to just get the cash out. So for his spending, we normally do $50 every 2 weeks, $25 for my husband, and $25 for me. So we'll do 17, 14. So that's a total of $50. Gas, I'm gonna increase it a little bit because the 75 isn't quite enough. So I'm gonna try $80 this time. Miscellaneous, we do $10 normally. Eating out, we did $100. That seemed to work pretty fine this last paycheck. Food, we do need to go grocery shopping, so we will be doing $200 in groceries. My dog, he'll get $10 this time. Clothing, we'll do $40 for clothing. Back to school shopping has to be done. We already kind of started a little bit, but we're gonna need some more. Car maintenance, we do $10. That's car washes. I hope I took out that 40. Dollar Divas 10, B-Days 50, and we're just gonna do 100 in investment money. Alrighty, so let me add these totals up, and then I'll make sure I did it right on my calculator, and then we'll see what we have left for the sinking funds. So $660 is going to cash envelopes. So 34 minus our fixed expenses minus our cash envelopes leave us with $1,054 for our sinking funds. Now, I will be doing church money, but I decided to keep that number over here instead of in the cash envelopes. So that'll come out first, which is $340. Okay, my kids will get their normal amount. So actually no, so my stepson will get his normal $100, but my girls will only get $25. So since I want to put more to traveling this paycheck, I decided I can take away a little bit from the girls because we have such a long time to prepare to save for college. But my stepson, actually, we don't have that long, so he'll get his normal amount, but the girls will get a little bit less. So minus 100, minus 50. And then travel money, I wanted to do a good chunk, so I'm gonna do $450 to travel money, which leaves us with 114. And then I thought for the balance, I will just divide it all out equally. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 categories and $114 left. So about $12 a piece in each category. Alrighty, so I think we are all set. Christmas, I'll show you my tracker now. I do not have to add any more into Christmas because we are all set. So we are on week 29 and I should have, I'm over the amount that we need for Christmas. So it's okay to just put the 12 in there. So let me go ahead, add up all the totals again and make sure I did everything right. So there's gonna be $5 left over, and I think I'll just put that in my $5 savings challenge if that's actually what I have left over. So let's add that in. So let's see if I did it right, and that's because I just did it even 12 instead of the change into each of those. So this should be 480. So $3,400. Alrighty, so we are all set for this paycheck, and I'm not gonna worry about my car pay down. My goals, I still have the same goals from last paycheck, so let me go ahead and copy those in. So not to use my credit card, make some extra money and eat out. And let me say, we have not used a credit card, but I have not made any extra money and we have not been eating out less. But it's okay. It's okay. It happens. All right. So my budget is all set. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys as always for watching. I will be stuffing this money on Sunday. So I see you then. Alrighty. Until next time. Peace. Bye.